So just back at the west side, which is on the west side of Brisbane, we've got all the cladding done now, all the doors and windows are in. We've used a combination of different materials on this one. This is Axon, which is a fibre cement James Hardie product, so it creates that vertical groove. The rest of the house has used James Hardie plank wood grain. I'll just show you what that looks like over here. So it's really easy to put this one on. We still use a cavity batten that gets attached onto the wall frame, and these go up very quick and easy. We use a aluminium corner mold just to be able to waterproof it and finish it off, so once this is all painted it all blends in. But it's a nice product, and having that combination of different materials really is a modern look. Just installing some prime line Newport in this house. It's one of our bangalow designs. We're using a coil nailer on this one, so it shoots straight through the prime line, through the batten and into the framework. Quick and easy to put on, and it's nice and straight. They'll go back and basically fix up all the seams or joins. Designed to look like a timber clad house, but it is a fibre cement. So you can see they just started the cladding on the outside of this house. This is using a linear board from James Hardie. It would look the same as this house next door here. So it's a nice easy product to put on. With this one we've used the timber battens first. They act as a cavity. You see the timber battens there. Then we put the reflective foil on, which is the sarking. And then the linear board. So you've got a starter strip and a corner mould. It's a 4.2 metre long length, and this is using the 150 mil. Okay, so before we put the cladding on the house, we put a cavity batten, which is a timber cavity batten, onto the steel frame, which stops the thermal transfer, and then we put a sarking over the top of those so we can staple the sarking into the timber battens, and then we put the cladding onto the outside of the house. So we can do this for any type of cladding, whether it's a vertical Axon or a weatherboard like a Hardie plank, or a prime line product which is just a weatherboard look. So quick and easy to put on, and it stops the thermal transfer of any heat or any condensation getting inside the house. A few months ago we did a little story on the new render text. It's from James Hardie. Basically it's a fibre cement product that's got the render finish already on it, so it makes it a lot quicker and easier to put up. It's still got the express joins in between, so it helps with any shrinkage and expansion, but it's a great product, easy to put on. And we've used a combination with the linear board here, which is the traditional sort of Hampton style. Once again, it's a fibre cement product. And then up on the eaves here, we've got Axon. A lot of our houses we've used Axon on it. This one here, we've got the eaves and some feature detailing on it as well. So nice combination of different James Hardie products.